The Old Testament is a vast and ancient collection of texts. Within its pages lies a treasure trove of wisdom. This wisdom, found in books like Psalms and Proverbs, offers guidance for navigating life's complexities. These books are not just ancient relics. They are timeless guides, offering insights into the human condition that remain as relevant today as they were millennia ago. Wisdom literature delves into the very essence of what it means to be human. It explores the joys and sorrows, the triumphs and failures, and the eternal questions that have captivated humankind for centuries. At its core, it seeks to understand the meaning of life and how to live it well. The Book of Psalms is a collection of 150 sacred poems. These poems are songs of the heart, expressing the full spectrum of human emotion. From the depths of despair to the heights of joy, the Psalms give voice to our deepest longings and fears. They are prayers set to music, reflecting the intimate relationship between humanity and the divine.
Some psalms are filled with praise and thanksgiving, celebrating the goodness and mercy of God. Others lament the pains of life, crying out in anguish and questioning the nature of suffering. Yet even in the darkest of times, the Psalms offer a glimmer of hope.
In contrast to the emotional depth of the Psalms, the Book of Proverbs offers practical advice for daily living. It is a collection of concise sayings and maxims, each one a nugget of wisdom passed down through generations. These proverbs cover a wide range of topics, from work and finances to relationships and personal conduct.
Proverbs emphasizes the importance of wisdom in making sound decisions and living a fulfilling life. It teaches us to value hard work, honesty, and integrity. It warns against the dangers of laziness, greed, and foolishness.
Suffering is an inescapable part of the human experience. Both Psalms and Proverbs acknowledge this reality. The Psalms provide a space to pour out our pain and grief to God. They remind us that we are not alone in our suffering.
Proverbs, while acknowledging the reality of suffering, often frame it as a consequence of our choices. It teaches us to learn from our mistakes and to seek wisdom to avoid repeating them. In the grand tapestry of life, suffering is not meaningless. It can be a catalyst for growth, leading us to a deeper understanding of ourselves and our dependence on God.